Hello, everyone. Do you know there's one small thing you can do every day that costs nothing, uses no special equipment, but can calm your mind, help your sleep, and reduce stress? It's called meditation. And today, I'd love to show you how simple and powerful it is. What is meditation? Meditation means sitting quietly and watching your breath. You don't need to force anything or think hard. Just relax your body and let your mind settle. It's a way to rest deeply, inside and out. What are the benefits? It calms the mind, relaxes the body, improves sleep, reduces stress and worry, helps you feel clear, present, and peaceful. How to meditate? Let's begin together. Sit on a meditation mat or directly on the floor. Sit cross-legged. Place your right leg over your left leg. Rest your hands on your thighs gently. Place your right hand over your left hand with palms facing up. Sit up tall, back straight, shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Before starting, take a few long, gentle breaths. Breathe out slowly, then breathe in gently. Do this a few times. Then let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Now focus on your nostrils. Feel the breath as it comes in. Feel the breath as it goes out. Don't count, don't change it. Just observe. In and out. Distractions are natural. Meditation is not about stopping them, just gently returning to your breath. How long should you meditate? Start with 5 minutes if you're new, then slowly increase to 15 to 30 minutes every night before bed. This routine will help calm your day and support restful sleep. Final message: regular meditation can release the burden on our mind, releasing stress. Just sit, just breathe. No pressure, no perfect way. Meditation is practice, one breath at a time. Thank you for your listening, and I hope your meditation will become your daily routine, which helps you the rest of your life.